Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really pretty watch band. This is all stainless steel, and it comes in a variety of different colors. This one I was sent was the gold and silver, and you can see it's like this flexible, so it's gonna be really nice, really lightweight. It's like 10 to 12 millimeters thick, so you can see the clasp, the way that all that works. I mean, it just goes right on and clasp over, and it just hooks directly into your Apple Watch. Now I have the Apple Watch Series 10, so just simply slide it in there. I mean, goes in with ease. We'll slide it on the other side. Then we'll just simply put the watch on. So that really just updated my watch to be like a nice, classy watch rather than the big sports band that I normally have. And then we just take the back of it and we fold it over. And now you've got on there. Now, whenever you check it, obviously that's pretty big. So it actually comes with the tools to be able to take out the links. Now, I've already taken out 2 of the links from the one side because whenever you take out a watch link, you want to make sure that it's even, so you take them off both sides, and that way it will create a nice even circle whenever you do it. So I'm going to get this on the band, and then we will take out the link. So you remove it just like you do any other watch. You push the button on the back of your watch, it releases it, pulls that out. Then we're just going to take this little tool, and we find the side on here. We'll shove in our little watch, and all you've got to do is just line this up with a little hole, and then we are going to twist it, and it will pop out the band on the other side, so then we can just take that out. So you see that popped out over here, and then we're gonna undo this, and we'll take out 2 links, and then we will put it all back together. So there's our 2 links out. Super, super simple. I mean, this is taking no time at all to get all this done. So then all we have to do is put that back together. By doing that, you just line it back up and poke your little needle back through there. Now you can use the actual tool. They give you extra tools over here. If you wanted to put the needle back in through that, you can do that as well. But I am just going to use my fingers and get it lined back up. All right, so now I've got this all done. And it looks absolutely beautiful on my watch. As far as, I mean, just the elegance to it, it's nice and dainty and so pretty as a woman's watch. And really easy to put on and off. You just slide it on, use your clasp, and now I've got just about 2 fingers, which is perfect for me. I mean, this fits wonderfully. I love how lightweight and elegant, dainty this is. It'd be a great watch. You just want to wear it for daily wear or going out somewhere fancy.